All right. I also have now Nikita Sareen, who's joining us from Lucknow. And viewers, we on NewsX gradually are getting you every city because we want you to have a 360-degree comprehensive view and get an entire complete analysis of what's really happening across cities as far as this is concerned. Nikita, take us through all of the latest developments in Lucknow. What is the scenario there?
Well, Vaishali, today more than 22 lakh aspirants are appearing for NEET UG 2026 examination, and already now the gates have been closed and we are here at the location where actually exam will take place, and already gates have been closed, and with under all the guidance and protocol the examination will take place at around 2 p.m. We have one fellow with us who is saying that he appeared late and the gates have been closed and he is not getting inside entry. क्या नाम है आपका?
मैम शहनवाज।
शहनवाज, क्या टाइम दिया गया था?
मैम 1:30 की एंट्री थी।
तो आप कब पहुंचे?
मैम 1:35 बस 5 मिनट लेट हुआ है।
तो अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं?
2 बजे मैम कहते हैं एग्जाम स्टार्ट होना है, तो कह रहे हैं एंट्री नहीं है, 1:30 तक एंट्री नहीं देंगे। मैम पिछली बार हमने दिया था एग्जाम, तो उसमें भी कहा कहते 5 मिनट 2 मिनट लेट होता तो एंट्री दे देते थे। इसी बार ये कर रहे हैं मैम।
तो क्या वो लेट है?
मैम इतनी दूर से मैं 45 मिनट 50 मिनट पहले निकले थे हम लोग, बस जाम के चक्कर में। मैम इतनी धूप रहती जाम के चक्कर में बस थोड़ा लेट हो गया, और कोई चक्कर नहीं मैम।
So Vaishali, pan India, there are some students who appeared late for examination, and the guideline says that 1:30 after 1:30 the gates will be locked, no entry will be given, and now he is stuck here and the people out there saying that you won't be allowed anymore. And now the guidelines, you can say here on the wall, it's clearly written that the original ID card with 2 photocopy of admit card and passport size photograph and also postcard size photograph is mandatory, and all the roll number is there stated here. And inside, let me take you to the view where exam is going on with all the security and also the cameras, CCTV cameras have been placed, and now you can see exam is going on, and within half an hour, like at around 2 p.m. the exam will take place and will end up at around 5 p.m. in the evening. So already with all the protocol and security, you can see the exam will go on inside, and as far as the question paper is concerned, it is clearly stated that it will be coming like from flight. The things which student will not be carried, it also have been mentioned here that things do not carry in examinations like cell phone device, earphone, technological pen drive, etc. This all is not allowed inside, and only the student can carry is the admit card and also ID card. So with these 2 documents the entry is there, and all over if we talk about pan India, and currently we are reporting from Lucknow where all the CCTVs and also the biometric system have been operated, and some students are stuck because the gate have been closed, and the guideline states that after 1:30 the entry will not be here. So he reached at approx 1:34, and now he's been stuck, and people inside there are not giving the entry. So you can clearly find from it that the protocol and the guidelines have been marked. It's a vital, and now the students are not able to get inside. So this is the scenario here out in Lucknow, where at around 2 the examination will start, and that will end up in the evening at 5 p.m. Over to you.
All right, Nikita, I'm now going to go across viewers to my colleague in Jaipur, Razaullah Khan,